Oh my, look at the clouds up there. There is some good lightning goings on. I'm pretty much driving straight into a storm. That's what I'm driving into, chat. Oh goody. I think I might get a little wet, but I don't think I'm driving into, I don't think I'm gonna be in like a storm. Oh, that's just great. Hey, maybe it's not even raining. Maybe there's just lightning right now. One can hope. I just hope that it doesn't like downpour on me. Okay, it's pretty bad. Chad, I have no idea where I am. Holy cow! Ow! Oh, rain is getting down my suit. I would rather be doing pretty much anything else right now. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This kind of sucks. 15 more minutes and I'm there. Come on! Come on!